Hello guys, today I want to edit a picture here. I want to use Gemini for example. So we want to copy that. Then we'll come to Gemini. I think I've already logged in. Then let me paste here. Let it upload. So if you come here, let's we want to increase the quality of this image. You can see that it's not that looking good. It's not that okay. So now want first thing we have to get our prompt. We'll now go to ChatGPT. We'll now tell ChatGPT to give us a prompt to enhance an image. We can also let it load. Let's see. This will say, give me a prompt to enhance and bring back the details and face quality in HD format for this image. So let's wait for it to give us. Already it's going to improve it here for us as well. So but I say it should also give me a prompt. So that prompt I wanted to also use it in another on that Gemini first that we selected. So let's wait for how ChatGPT is making the first draft. Just wait for it, setting the scene. Bro, ChatGPT just made wonders, bro. Take a good look at this image. Let me not lie to you. The way we are going, this is very, it's even way more than what I was expecting that to give us. So from here, you can download this. You can now click download from here. And then look at the download link. This is on a different aspect, bro. Okay, from here you can now see. Let's open it. Shit. Babao. Baba, this is can see I'm zooming in to see the details. So apart from this one, we want to also work with Gemini as well. So it's mistakenly generated. So we'll tell it, please give me the prompts, not for you, sorry, for you to generate, not for you to generate. Oh yeah, no, we're waiting for it. So this is the right language it's giving us. So we can now come to Gemini here and now paste it. This is it. And then you enter. So let's wait for what Gemini will give us. It's the same AI. So we don't expect much from it. So let's wait for it. Babao. Analyzing the subject's details and more. So You're waiting for details. So now you can take a good look at this image from here. Let's see what it's similar to that of ChatGPT, but let's download the both and then we'll see their differences as the case may be. Let's compare. So this is the one from Gemini, this is the one from ChatGPT. So come to, let me open Corridor so that you can now see. So from here, let me paste it side by side. Let me paste. This is the one from Gemini. This is the sorry, this is the one from ChatGPT. This is the one from Gemini, basically. So let's do the comparison between the two and see. That is, if you see from here, this particular aspect, if you zoom here, you can observe something. This picture quality at from here, the eyes are very visible. These the eyes are not that more visible, but something is happening. The color, the color of this, if you see from this section, the color you observe here is way more. This color from here is way more than that. That is the contrast. Let me see. So this is also clean. This is also clean. So from here you can also improve your editing. You can also take it to the next level to edit as well. So thank you, and please, if you love this tutorial, subscribe for more.